Minimax Hailuo AI released a very interesting feature and it's free for whole week. Yes, so this feature is first to end frames and this will let you generate one of the best high quality Hailuo 2.2 videos which you cannot imagine for free. Yeah, so at the end of the video I'll also tell you how you can grab this offer because this offer is really insane and we'll see so many video examples and also compare it to the VO3 and VO2 model because they are one of the epitome of this video AI. So yeah, this video is all about how you can use this feature of this Hailuo AI first to end frames. We'll see multiple videos like you can see on the screen. We'll generate videos like this with the proper images and frames, and we'll also learn how you can exactly do the captioning and AI caption thing and the camera angle and all that stuff. So stay till the end of the video. I'm Aditya and you're watching Skill Curve. So let's simply go to the video example section. So I've generated some of the videos you can see right on the screen on the right side. So let's see videos one by one to first get you an idea what kind of videos we are generating, and in the later part of the video I'll exactly show you a tutorial one by one how you can do it. So simply just see the first video we got it. So it's a very interesting video. So what I did is I just randomly added two images of a guy with a black car, and on the another end frame was a pirate of a female pirate. And I don't know why did I add this, but I was just testing the references and the transition thing, and I can say the transition is very smooth here. So the prompt was very simple: a gentleman leans into a retro futuristic car under a street light, zooming out, revealing classic design elements. So the prompt is, I don't think it's much accurate to the video, but overall I can see the frame movement and the video activity is pretty interesting. Like you can see the smoke behind her, and on the guy having a car with proper smoke, and like the way it has transition from the entire ocean to the road, it's really smooth, and that's what I'm talking about. Like this new Hailuo AI video feature is really something interesting, and I'm testing this for a while, and I can say that it's really fun and even better than sometimes VO. Like sometimes VO3 is not generating as fun videos as this model is doing right now. Okay, now let's talk about another video I've generated. So I generated from this mid-journey images. So there's this image of these two people, studying coding, and they're having a headache. And look at the transition first. So first frame was this guy in a purple background, and on the second brom has a very green background. And look at these, the code behind them is actually not static, it's pretty dynamic. And I think this is I really liked about this Hailuo's like they actually running the code, and most probably the animation is really interesting. Like the mid journey generated a very interesting image, and Hailuo exactly animated it without feeling like a buggy image. The eyes movement, the hand movements are pretty accurate, especially the codes that are going upwards. It's like we are actually running a different lighting codes, and the best thing is the codes is actually very colorful, and it's almost like we are running on a VS Code instead of a notepad stuff. So yeah, I think I really like this new feature of this Hailuo AI, but we are not gonna stop here. We'll see multiple videos so we can idea what kind of videos we can generate. However, one thing notice is I did not add any prompt in this video. So this video was promptless. Somehow Hailuo still pulled off one of the best videos. Okay, let's see another video, okay, so this video is very interesting. So this is a Batmobile of Batman I generated from Midjourney, and in the end frame I added this building which is also looking like very Gotham theme because the black and white clouds and stuff, the monochromatic theme. And one thing you can notice is the transition is super smooth. Like the Batman is running towards building, and suddenly it comes on the main camera comes on the building side. And the one thing you notice, the main prompt was not as descriptive as I think. I said just make this car reach to the building, and that's it. I think the prompt adherence is not very good in this feature. Like even without prompt, you can generate a similar kind of videos. So I would say prompt does not matter here. And yeah, so you can say the prompt for people who don't know good prompts, you can still use it. That's very good. Okay, now another image I've generated, it's very syncable. So first image is this guy playing video game, and the second image is this guy playing video game, but we can see just hands. So let's see this video transition, and it pulled out actually good. So see, in the first guy is playing some RPG video game, and suddenly the camera goes 360 degree, and now it's playing a racing car game. I genuinely loved the way it did it, like the way the transition happened without actually generating the entire room all around and guessing it. It's really interesting, and the room theme was similar, the wooden theme. It did not change a single bit, so I can say that, yeah, Halo did some hard work here by front and frame, and it's really optimized, and the video quality is also almost good. The video game inside it is also very workable. However, it's not very much clear as the car one, but it's overall it's okay. The finger movements on the controller is not as good as I thought as the VO3 can generate, because the movement of fingers are actually vibrating. But overall, that's good. That's not all. Okay, let's watch another video. In the video, I did something like a guy who's running from Midjourney image, and I just zoomed on his shoes, and it's really pulled out very great. Like, look at the video, the smoothness is so good, and I just prompted he's running. Yeah, so you can see that the prompt is not very important here, but overall the movement of the shoes is interesting. And you can see the background images too. The background there, the skyscrapers, already very good. The background is blur, and that's why I would say it's making even better filter. Okay, now let's talk about something interesting here. Like, we can see the movement of the clothes is very accurate, like the way his pants moving and the code. Okay, I really loved. I really liking this Halo AI, and it's totally free overall, so it make me feel even better about it. Okay, now let's talk about another video we have is this Joker and Batman. I just added two frames here, one from the side of Batman, one from the side of the Joker, and gosh, look at this video. It's such a smooth transition, and the character consistency surprisingly is also very good. I did not expect this. Like, really cool. Okay, let's see another video we have is this shooting guy. I just added two frames. First frame was just holding gun. Second frame was this whole guy, with proper picture holding gun. And the transition is as always as smooth. However, one thing I can say is somehow the saturation of picture color bit a little dark here, which I did not expect it. But overall, that's a good one. I think I can still vote for it. Okay, now another image we tried animation. The first frame of this Superman animation, and the second phase of Superman building in the city of a skyscraper, and look, it pulled out really great. I just uploaded two frames, and somehow it just go out of the galaxy, out of the new planet, and goes boom. Okay, and one thing to see is the text generation rendering process is also very accurate. So we can say that studio text is pretty visible, not hallucinating overall. So yeah, it's a good news for people. Okay, another last but not the least image we had is this horse of the two different color I added, and look at the proper animation we got. I genuinely loved it. And you know what, the best use case could happen is, like, if you want to create some history documentation video and explanatory videos, you can use these clips to add and make video much more impressive. And if someone is making animated kind of videos, I think this is your last chance to go and grab this offer. Okay, now let's talk about how we're gonna use this Hello model. Simply just go to the main Hello website and log in. You can see this right now on your screen. I have logged in with my account, and you can see that I have 0 credits. So yeah, you can trust now. You can have 0 credit, and I can still generate the video. This is the exploration tab. You can just explore the videos, but you can see right now on the left side, you can see the video option, which is the video unlimited. Click here, and it will take some time. It will just verify with the Cloudflare that you are human, and that's it. Okay, now we can see we are now at the image to video section, and click on image to video section, and you can see a 7-day unlimited start and frame. Now here you have to upload the start and end frame, and you can generate simple videos as we both did. You can see right now I have added 2 frames of this guy running and this horse running, and just ignored for a while. And you can see right now the credit number is 0 now, and that's the fantastic thing about it. Okay, on the right side you can see the select the Halo model. Don't forget to select the Hailuo 2 because it's the latest and one of the greatest model here. And all you can see right now, you can select the duration. However, these are unchangeable if you're not on the pro plan. You can click on the quantity. I would say just make it 1 because credit issue. And right now you can see the camera angle here. Now once you click on the camera icon, you can now select the camera angle, control, pan right, zoom in, zoom out. You can also click on cinematic shots. So you can there are multiple already presets available for a camera shot, like debut, freedom is like the top to bottom camera movement, right circling is also one of the coolest method I've ever used, upward tilt, left walking, and you can use any of these model. That's totally up to you, and just simply click on generate button. It will start creating the video. It will take maybe some times like 1 minute, 2 minutes. Overall it's pretty fast for the person who is using free. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.